Good morning, boys. Good morning, girls. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. Sundays are usually like kind of a chill day.
Yes, they are.
We are headed to the gym right now, and then I think we're gonna head to the shop and start tearing into the M3 motor today.
Devin made me cry.
Bobby's crying right now. You wanna explain?
No.
Happy tears though, yeah?
Happy tears, yeah.
We've been super busy. Jared, myself, and even Bobby helping me out. We have a launch on Tuesday. Today's Sunday, so we have 2 days. We have a massive photo shoot tonight, and we're gonna do it in the shop. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be something crazy. We do need to run to Harbor Freight real quick to grab some stuff, so let's dip.
Let's dip.
This right here, boys, is gonna be a game changer. We really needed this doing Bobby's STI, and we really needed doing the M3 rod bearings. Engine support bar. We have been needing to do the rod bearings on the M3 forever now, ever since we got the car. We still don't have all of the parts to do it. The motor mounts are supposed to show up later today. Oil pan gasket is supposed to come to, I think it was CarQuest, ordered it up for me. So that should be here tomorrow. So what I want to do today is just get as much done as we possibly can. Not sure if we're actually gonna swap the bearings or not today, but we're gonna do as much as we can. So let's move some cars around, get the M3 on the lift. And I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. I've never done this. I haven't even really looked into it.
I can do it. I know what I'm doing.
I might do a little bit of research, but nonetheless, let's get started. Cold start for the boys ×3.
Please don't make it the loud version.
All right, boys, we got her on the lift, got her up in the air a little bit. I'm gonna go online real quick, head to the forums, see if I can't find a nice, decent write-up on just like a straight up tutorial type of thing, just so we can minimize the dicking around part. Before we move on with this project, we're gonna open this guy up here and get it all set up. This is for when we pull out or loosen the subframe, the motor stays exactly where it needs to be. We needed this for Bobby's car, and I figured it's finally time to pick one up. So let's pop this thing open, get it all set up on the M3, and it's gonna make our life a hell of a lot easier. We got that support bar all set up. It looks like there's only one place to actually attach it to the engine, and I think that's how everyone else online was doing it anyway. So we should be good there. That thing is gonna be super handy to use, especially in the future.
Holy crap.
Understand how that works now?
Not really. Oh yeah, I guess.
It's holding up on the engine so I can take out everything else underneath. You dig?
I'm gonna get back to my booty workout.
Let's get this bad boy up in the air. There is a ton of under trays we gotta pull off, and then of course you need to drain the oil. And there's about a million other things we gotta pull off as well. So we're gonna pull off all of these under trays. There's one right there. There's this aluminum skid plate right there we gotta pop off. And then I guess we can go from there. I'm not sure what else we need to remove, but let's start ripping stuff apart. we have all of the undertray stuff off that we need to remove. Next up, we're working on removing this radiator fan right here. So there was a connector over there. There's one bolt right over there somewhere, a Torx bolt, and then the radiator fan should hopefully slide out. Just got the radiator fan out. It was a little bit difficult to get out, but we got it. So we're gonna get the car back up in the air now. We gotta pull off the wheels. Probably should drain the oil. And then there's a few other little things we gotta pop off. And then we could start working on the subframe. So there was this line right here. We had to unbolt 2 bolts and a nut for that. We popped off the ABS and brake lines, disconnected those from the strut itself. I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the oil right now. So there's a drain plug right there, drain plug right there. Pop those out and we'll drain the oil. Took care of the oil, went ahead, disconnected the end links off the sway bar. Now we need to mess with the belt tensioner. So if you peek up in there, that guy right there has a little cap on it. If we pop that cap off, there will be a hex head, and we're gonna put a wrench on that thing, get some tension off the belt, disconnect the belt, and then we need to pull the tensioner off. I'm pretty sure the subframe is in the way for 2 of the bolts, but for now we can just get the belt off and go from there. The belt is off. There's these 2 bolts right here that we need to remove, but as you can see, subframe is in the way. So next up, as soon as this oil is done draining out, we are gonna start loosening up the subframe and get her dropped down a little bit, enough to clear everything that we gotta clear. I'm sure there's some wiring clips, so let's hunt for those. We have to disconnect the steering rack, and this is where something got a little bit fishy to me. All right, I went to go mark the steering rack, and look at it. It's already marked with blue. There's a small possibility that someone's already done the rod bearings, but the only way to tell is to pull the rod bearings. And if I pull the rod bearings, we're gonna replace them no matter what. So it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. But now I'm really curious. It's really got my thinker thinking. We're gonna unbolt the subframe now. I believe there's 6 bolts. Lower the subframe down a little bit. We have those 2 bolts from earlier that the subframe was in the way of. And then I think from there, we take the oil pan off. Subframe is loose. There is some wiring back here we gotta pull off. So let's just go through, disconnect all that stuff. Some O2 sensors and whatnot, and then we should be able to drop the subframe down a little bit more. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I really don't know what I'm doing. So if I mess up, I mess up, but this is how I learn. I just like to dive into it and figure it out as we go along. So this is where we're at right now. Subframe is dropped all the way down. We have a ton of space now. That there is the oil pan. It runs from right here to pretty much the back of the car. It's a big old boy. Another reason I think the rod bearings have been done, the motor mounts for kind of a high mileage M3 are in decent condition. So I'm a little confused. I guess we're gonna see. There are 4 bolts going from the bell housing to the oil pan. We're gonna pull those 4 bolts off, and then all of the hardware for the oil pan, and then drop the oil pan down. So I said earlier the motor mounts are in good condition. I was lying because this one is she a little bit broken. There's one half of it, and there's the other half. She broken in half, boys. All the bolts are out of the oil pan. Let's go ahead and pop this thing off and see what's going on. Oil pan's off. That is what it looks like underneath the oil pan. That tube right there is kind of in the way, but you can finesse the pan around that thing if you want. Pan is over here. I shined some light on the oil. I didn't really see anything going on, but what I want to do tonight, since we don't have a ton of time left, I'm just gonna pop off one rod bearing cap, and check out the rod bearings and see if they're pretty bad or if they're not bad at all. We have a rod cap off.
Oh, shit.
And Jared dropped something.
What was that?
Well, it appears to be a beer.
He lost the beer and the monster.
It looks like it lost everywhere. Regardless, zoom in on that bad boy. What do you think, Bob?
She looks perfect, honestly.
There's a little bit of wear.
Can I see?
But it's not terrible. I was expecting worse.
Yeah, there's a little wear, but that'll be fine.
Should we replace it?
Yeah, might as well.
I was hoping you'd say no. We're pretty much, this is about as far as we can go tonight. There's no sense in really doing much more. I'm just gonna put the pan back on. I'm gonna slide this back on there, thread it in a little bit, throw the pan on, and we gotta wait for the gasket and the motor mounts to show up. But we're gonna go do some photo shoot stuff. This is gonna be next level, isn't it?
Don't hype it too much.
It's gonna be insane. I'll show you guys some behind the scenes action here in a minute. Have fun cleaning up your beer bottle.
Already dropped the beer, it's not going so well.
Jared's been here for 4 hours. All he's done is drop a beer. So this is what we got going on. We got the E92 up in the air, of course, and we were just messing around doing some stupid photos with me drinking a beer, all greasy, but this is how she looks. Are we gonna smoke now? We also have a smoke machine. Shout out to Chaz if you're watching this, boy. We are gonna smoke at the shop real quick and see how it looks. Scary. That's sick. What does it look like? Is it dope?
Yeah, it's gonna be sick, dude, once you get more. Because the green's lighting it perfect.
Hell yeah. All right, let's bang some photos out. We're all done with that shoot. We are gonna do some cool Evo stuff now. I should probably clean up a little bit, but we're gonna pull the Evo under the M3 and then bang out some of those photos. And it should look pretty sick. I wanna throw, are these gonna be done like?
Yeah, I'll add at least one tonight.
I'm gonna throw one on the screen to show you guys like what it looks like all finished with the smoke and edited properly. They're gonna look sick. We have almost everything laid out on the table that we are launching this Tuesday. Ton of hats, ton of beanies, a ton of shirts that, you know, there's too much to show, but it's a lot, and I'm stoked. Bobby, you ready, bruh? No? No, bruh?
Are you ready, babe? My favorite is...
This is my favorite.
My favorite's the light gray one.
The She Built? You like the She Built? Are you a She Built type of boy? Some of these ones with the big logo on the back are just so Fuego. Quick update, this is insane. we're all finished up, guys. Shoot went amazing. Jared's gonna edit some bangers. Remember, launch is coming up this Tuesday, 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Go get your bangers. I'm going to sleep. Good night.